All right, strap in for a mind-blowing ride with the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2, a rugged beast that's been on my wrist for a week, diving deep, shining bright, and refusing to quit with insane battery life. If you're chasing a smartwatch that screams adventure and laughs at the competition, let's unpack this game changer. Is it worth your cash in 2025? Let's dive in, pun intended. This thing is a tank. 46.5 millimeters wide, 80.5 grams without the strap, built from zirconium alloy that's 8.7 times more corrosion resistant than before. Sapphire glass and a nanocrystal ceramic bezel screen premium. I wore it snorkeling in salty water, and it came out flawless, ready for 150-meter dives. The hollowed-out lugs slim it down visually, but it's still chunky, small wrist, folks. Try before you buy. I've got average wrists, and it feels like a bold statement, not a burden. 2 colors. Blue's smaller with a flashy white-blue bezel. Black's bigger and stealthier. The fluoroelastomer band is comfy for daily wear or diving suits. Huawei even throws in an extra-large one for wetsuits. The titanium band, though, pure luxury, but it's heavier and costs €100 more. Swapping bands is easy with 22mm quick-release pins, but the unique lugs mean not every strap looks right. The rotating crown's a tactile dream. Etched Huawei logo red accent. Smooth spins with haptic clicks. 2 programmable buttons. One for quick apps like workouts, another for dive mode or compass. Add flare. The X-Tap sensor, nestled between, kicks off health checks with finger tap. It's rugged, premium, and built for adventure, but it's not subtle. The 1.5-inch LTPO2 AMOLED is a stunner. 3,500 nits peak brightness, the brightest I've seen on a smartwatch. Hiking under harsh sunlight, I could read notifications without squinting. Thanks to 466 by 466 pixels at 310 ppi. Always on display is a must for me. Why wear a blank wrist? And the dynamic refresh rate keeps it efficient. Sapphire glass laughs off scratches, and the octagonal design feels futuristic yet tough. Whether I was checking dive stats or trail maps, it popped every time. Running Harmony OS 5.1. Oddly a step behind the GT6 Pro 6.0, it pairs smoothly with Android or iOS via the Huawei Health app. The interface is slick, with refined settings and swipe-right cards packing heart rate, stress, and more. App Gallery offers Google Calendar Sync, Spotify controls, Gmaps Viewer, even games like Snake or 2048 for wristbound fun. Watch faces? Tons, though most are paid. Preloaded ones do the job. Gesture controls for calls or alarms, double tap or snap. Sounded cool but flopped half the time. Needs work. The Cilia QWERTY keyboard, though. Let me fire off WhatsApp replies like a pro during a coffee run. Fitness tracking is next level. 100 plus activities, from running to diving, with sensors like accelerometer, Euro, SPO2, and upgraded Sunflower GPS nailing accuracy. I ran an hour daily. It tracked VO2 max, HRV, stride length, even vertical oscillation, like a dedicated coach. Diving's the star. 150 meters free diving, technical tracking, and sonar-based underwater text for dive buddies. Niche? Sure, but imagine coordinating with your crew 50 meters down. Safety and fun in one. Golfers get course maps, swing analysis, and distance tools. Sleep tracking caught my bedtime and wake-ups perfectly, flagging apnea risks via HRV and SPO2, though deep sleep stats aren't lab-grade. The X-Tap health check, ECG, SPO2, arterial stiffness, stress, even a cough test, fires up with a finger tap, delivering a 60-second report. Emotional well-being tracking's a neat bonus, estimating mood via algorithms. Expedition mode, offline maps, and trail running tools make an adventurer's dream. Downside? Harmony's app ecosystem lags outside China. No full music streaming without workarounds. The 867 mAh high silicon battery is a beast, up from 510 mAh in the original. Huawei claims 4.5 days without AOD, 3 with it. I went hard. AOD on constant health polling, hourly GPS workouts, calls, notifications, even some Flappy Bird, and got 60 hours, just shy of 3 days. Ditch AOD and you're pushing a week. The wireless magnetic charger hits 100% in an hour. I juiced it midweek and forgot about it. Compared to watches dying daily, this feels like freedom. The speaker's loud. Calls cut through wind like I was on a phone, with the mic crystal clear. Alarms and timers pierce noise, and music's doable but better with earbuds. Haptics are electric. Strong modes like a wrist massage, audible on a table. I cranked it for dive alerts. Never miss one. 3 settings let you dial it in, from subtle to seismic. At 899 euros for the blue floral elastomer model, $1057 USD, or 999 euros for black with titanium, this isn't cheap. Online, Huawei's site and Amazon list at full price. But watch for flash sales. Some regions like Malaysia offer pre-order perks like free straps or 10% off with codes. Offline retailers might bundle accessories, but don't expect deep cuts yet. It's too new. Compared to rivals, it's pricier. Apple Watch Ultra 3 hovers at 899 euros, but ties to iOS with weaker battery, while Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra is Euro 700 with body comp sensing, but ecosystem limits. Huawei's Edge, cross-platform use, longer battery, and diving-specific tools. If you're not diving or don't need exotic materials, the 200 to 300 euros cheaper Huawei GT6 Pro covers most bases. For adventurers, the premium's justified, especially if you snag a deal. After a week of dives, trails, and daily chaos, the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2 is a rugged masterpiece. Its blinding display, epic battery, and dive-ready features outshine the Apple and Samsung Ultras for endurance and versatility. But at 899 to 999 euros, it's a splurge. If you're not hitting 150M depths or craving zirconium swagger, the GT6 Pro is a smarter pick for less. Still, for divers and battery hounds, it's a top tier buy in 2025. Hunt those deals, though. Are you sold on this beast or sticking with something slimmer? Drop your thoughts below. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more tech dives.